Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Revolut. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to the Revolut application. Now, navigate to the payments at the bottom, then click on the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, click on the bank recipients, then you will need to add your account details. So choose the country of residence. Now, choose the currency and fill out your IBAN, which stands for International Business Account Number. Now, fill out your first and last name, and optionally, you can add your email once all the details have been added. Now, click on the Add Recipients on the next page, and it is going to ask you how much would you like to withdraw. So, just add the amount that you would like to withdraw, then select the account that you would like to withdraw from. So if you have multiple currency accounts, select the one that you would like to withdraw from. And at last, if you want, you can also write reference once everything looks right. Now click on continue and it's going to ask you to review the transfer. So check your IBAN number, then check your reference number and check the amount. Now if everything looks correct, simply click on send and your money will be successfully withdrawn on Revolut. So that's how you withdraw money from Revolut. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.